AutoSAR. AutoSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic principles. Type and prototype. We already know that a prototype is the instantiation of a type. But what does that mean? To explain that, we look at object-oriented programming. Here we have classes and objects. An object is the instantiation of a class. Instantiation means that an object is created. AutoSAR doesn't use object-oriented programming, but the same principle applies. There are types and prototypes, where prototypes are the instantiation of types. AutoSAR supports multiple instantiation, that means there can be multiple prototypes of the same type. These prototypes will typically have their own separate internal state, which is stored in separate memory locations, but might for example share the same code, in as far as the code is appropriately written, to support this. If you want to learn more about AutoSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.